Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to use Grab Pay Later. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start using Grab Pay Later here, and let's just say you want to save up now and maybe pay the rest of the purchase or the amount later on, well, this one is kind of tricky because there are a few things that you need to do here or you need to verify. Now, first things first is you want to access the Grab app here and you want to go and just log in into your account. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and go to the home screen here. So go and click on home. Now, from here, you want to look for finance. You should see finance at the very top here, just underneath the 8th tile icon that you are going to see at the very top. But let's go and just choose or press on finance. Now, from here, the first thing that you may want to do here is you want to verify your profile. Now, to unlock all the features that Grab has to offer here, well, you need to verify yourself. Now, typically, you just need to click on the verify your profile option. Now, from here, they will ask you a bunch of questions and even ask you to take a simple selfie of yourself. So in this case, they will need you to provide an ID, your source of income, and again, a short selfie here. Go and click on start and just follow the on-screen steps. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to add a card. So go and click on add card and just provide a payment so that you can actually use. Now, the thing with Grab Pay or Grab Pay Later here is they need some way for you to make the payment. So that's where they actually are going to uh, deduct the amount that you are going or you need to pay later on. So in this case, you need to add a card. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is you just need to exit this page, or you want to go and just go back in here. You want to exit this page. You want to go ahead and just go to food or whatever we want to order in here. Now from here, you go and start ordering, start adding items in here, and once you've went into your page here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just click on the option for payment. So here in the payment details section, you want to go ahead and click on the option that says see all. Now, if your account does support and you verified your account or you've activated Grab Pay Wallet here, you should see the Grab Pay Later option now appearing on your screen. Now, if Grab Pay Later is not yet available, you may need to build your profile, like for example making some transactions directly through your card first. So there's a whole trust process here so that the Grab would actually verify or would be able to verify that you can actually or you have the capability of using Grab Pay Later here. So you may want to do some like a few transactions, like 5 to 10 transactions, and see if Grab Pay Later would actually appear on your payment methods here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.